Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to withdraw USDT to Naira on Bitget in 2025. If you're holding USDT and want to convert it to Nigerian Naira for everyday use, this guide is perfect for you. Bitget has made some updates this year, so let's make sure you're up to speed. First things first, you'll need a verified Bitget account and some USDT in your wallet. If you don't have an account yet, head over to the Bitget app or website and sign up. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, open your Bitget app or dashboard. Navigate to the Wallet or Assets section to check your USDT balance. Make sure you have enough to cover any withdrawal fees, which can vary based on network congestion in 2025. Next, go to the Withdraw option, usually found in the top menu or under your asset details. Select USDT from the list of cryptocurrencies. Now, here's the key part for converting to Naira. Bitget often uses P2P trading or partnered services for fiat withdrawals. Look for the Withdraw to Fiat or P2P tab and choose Naira as your currency. You'll need to enter your bank details or link a Nigerian bank account. Double-check that everything is accurate to avoid delays. Before confirming, review the transaction details, including the amount, fees, and estimated arrival time. In 2025, Bitget might require additional two-factor authentication for security, so have that set up. Hit Confirm, and wait for the processing. It could take a few minutes to a couple of hours. Once it's done, you'll see the Naira in your bank account. Pro tip: always monitor exchange rates and fees to get the best deal, and never share your private keys or login info. That's it, folks. Withdrawing USDT to Naira on Bitget is easier than ever in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there and happy trading.